So let's take a look at how you can add a new contact in Salesforce developer platform. So I'm inside this Lightning dashboard, and here you can see I have a bunch of options here, from this setup launcher to all the top options at the dashboard side. Okay, so we will click on this plus icon in order to create a contact. So when you wish to create contact, you can simply click on this. So this is global actions menu. Here you can click on new contact. Okay, so here you can see it immediately pops up a small window at the bottom. You can have salutations, Mr., Mrs., Doctor, Professor, etc. So let's go with name something like, let's say, John Doe, and email John Doe, and then let's see, we add phone 2341257. okay, and you can set an account name for this, which you can do later once you add account types. Okay, and then title, let's say contact in sales manager or marketing manager. Okay, simply click on save. Okay, now that will be stored in contacts. Okay, so you get the idea how to add contacts in Salesforce.